As the use of connected vehicle technology increases in Texas, so does the need to standardize data sharing between various transportation stakeholders. The Connected Vehicle Data Framework, or CVDF, allows TxDOT to share data like work zones and travel times and enables data exchange with third-party applications. The Texas Department of Transportation, with researchers at the Center for Transportation Research and Southwest Research Institute, work to expand the capabilities of the CVDF to improve data sharing capabilities and provide new benefits to Texas road users.
The Connected Vehicle Data Framework, we call it the CVDF, is a standardized way for TxDOT to share information, usually that they already have about roadway conditions or weather or any traveler information with the public and third parties like mapping providers, Google Maps, Waze, that sort of mapping solution. It really allows for real-time information that can help with both safety and mobility across TxDOT roadways.
The Connected Vehicle Data Framework provides a standardized way for TxDOT to share information with travelers and third-party data providers and like mapping companies. So this real-time information can enhance the safety and mobility of everyone on the road.
For each of the priority applications that we identified, I mentioned that we established reporting, formatting, and data use standards. Those really don't exist to date. So it's a foundation for TxDOT to start to build a standardized, streamlined data sharing portal between TxDOT and the public sector. And then lastly, we evaluated opportunities for partnerships with third-party data services, either to augment applications that are already supported by the CVDF or to expand data availability and quality for new applications.
The most important feature that we added was developing that road weather warning application within the Connected Vehicle Data Framework. And that can be used to communicate critical information about flash flooding, any low water crossings, potentially icy bridge conditions, or any powerful winds. We simulated various weather conditions in a test environment at Southwest Research and verified that the road weather warning application performs.
The road weather warning application was developed and tested in a controlled environment. So the next step is to roll it out to all TxDOT districts through a Lone Star update.
So we developed the one application, but we also identified, I think, 5 or 6 other priority applications, data partners, strategic corridors, and this really sets TxDOT up to continue to grow their connected vehicle technology network and investments.
For more information and to find the publications for this project, please visit the TxDOT Research Library at the link shown below.